Good morning.
Good morning. I had a dream about Paw Patrol.
Do you remember loving Paw Patrol?
Yeah. I used to have every single thing.
I know, and I loved it.
Ready for a bath? Oh, hold on. Let me put it away. Use the dry.
Do you know how to wash Sadie?
Nope.
You're in for a day.
Okay, I need you to get me the soap. Ready, come?
Okay.
Wash it with the white shampoo.
You do not want to get in a bath, lady.
Yep. Okay. Look, she does not want to go in there. No. No.
No.
No. No.
No.
Make sure it's warm and not hot. Don't put her in until it's warm. Don't put her in until...
It feels comfortable on your hands. It's going to feel comfortable on her.
She does not. She's like, I am not getting in that bath.
Yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
Just put it on super hot right now, and then once it starts getting warmer, then lower it. It just gets the water warmer faster. I want Olivia. No, a little. Wait, let me see.
Oh, we got to take the power off.
That's good, but it might start getting hotter since. I mean, that's pretty low.
Oh, does that feel so good?
Yeah, now you like it.
Now you like it. Okay.
Then when it comes,
Don't let it be too hot. What's that? Keep you in, look, just different color. Oh, sorry.
um,
Real hot.
Somebody's talking yelling for you.
I can't go. I gotta record.
Go see what he wants.
Okay. You feeling a little bit warmer?
No, it's good.
Wait, how is it?
That's good. Put a little bit of soap on you.
That's good.
Okay. You just don't shake.
Well, keep your hands on her and be rubbing her down.
How are you today?
Is her head not wet?
It is.
Doesn't look like it's wet enough. I mean, her beard isn't.
Oh, we'll get wet.
Yeah, her whole head needs to be wet so you can wash it really good.
Oh, you're so cold. Sweetheart, you cannot jump out. That's not in the question.
You are in control.
Yeah. Oh, she is like whining. She's like, I hate it. No.
Don't jump out.
Stay.
Trying to get both of them, but I'm on the chair.
She looks like a rat. Eat your tummy. You're just fine, sweetheart.
She's gonna start whining.
Okay, I'm nervous for her face. Like,
Should we
You're
just
not
like?
going to hurt her.
okay.
As long-
Mostly, what I would do is get it really wet and then use the toothbrush.
No.
So I gotta go get the toothbrush.
Sit. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So can I rinse her body?
Got the toothbrush.
Yep.
You rinsing her now?
Yeah, I'm just rinsing her body. Give me your tail.
You gotta scratch at it, like not hard, but like. Come on, get the hell that soap out.
You look like a rat.
Rat tail.
Rat tail. Mom, look at my rat tail. There you go. Oh, she's so cold. Here you go. This is such warm water, though. Put it over your head. Oh, does that feel so good? Oh, sweetheart. I feel so bad. Let's get your beard all wet.
And Dad just pours it over her face. He's not like shy about it.
Okay. Close your eyes. I'm not gonna put it into her, like, nose, like. Hold on. You gotta get your beard wet. And your head wet. So we can wash you. And like, well,
Did he? Yep, there you go. That's the look you always get.
she's shaking so hard, but it's such warm water.
I think she's just shaking because of like nerves, not because she's cold.
Is that good or bad?
Does that feel good? Alright, just sit under that for a hot minute while I get. Okay, so then should I put some of the cheat on here or just the whitening stuff probably on her beard?
I just scratch out all the gunk in it. I don't think it needs
Because
soap.
her beard is like pink.
Yeah, get the whitening stuff on her face.
Okay. So I'll just use the brush.
Use your hands and put it all over. Like on the top of her head, everywhere.
But
on
she
the
needs-
ears. And then use the toothbrush to like comb it in. And then do
Lady.
a really gut rinsing it.
Close your mouth.
I was just gonna say you do not want to eat this. This is.
Her instinct, she'll close her eyes. She won't put it in her mouth. Like, she's not dumb.
Hold on to it. You're gonna get it all over your eyes. Hey, come here, puppy dog. Lady, sit. Sit. Come on. I'll put the water on you. Sit down. Go. Lady, stay. Okay. Is that still warm?
I'd do a little bit more. I mean, you did it for like not even a second.
When you got the water in there, you're great.
We'll put all the soaps down in the description.
Yep,
Hello.
we'll leave all the soaps in. Get your beard. Hey, ah. Not brushing your teeth, but we'll clean your beard.
Yesterday we got the house cleaned. Today, before they get here, we're getting the food prepped. Let's go grocery shopping.
Yeah.
We come to Sam's Club for the $5 rotisserie chicken that is like triple the size of any grocery store's rotisserie chicken. If you want to get in the car, you have to do a dance.
Do I have to?
Yeah. Okay, see ya.
But I don't.
See ya. Bye.
Wait.
Just do a backflip or something.
Wait, no, I forgot it.
Do it.
Oh, the one
See ya.
that gets 30?
Yeah.
Bye. Yeah. Okay, get in.
Oh, Grandma's mad over there. Make him do the truffle shuffle.
Bye.
Make him do the truffle shuffle.
What's the truffle shuffle?
From the Goonies.
You can place your cards in any order you would like any design. So, but I'm just gonna go a regular pyramid, I guess. And you just have to have an order down.
Okay, I have to pause the music and that changes the whole vibe. But nothing, I know, sorry. Nothing makes me more happy than we've got our white chicken chili. I was sitting here wiping off the countertop, the music's going. Olivia's doing homework, the kids are drying. Cody's helping me with some laundry. And this, gotta wipe the mascara from underneath my eyes. What in the? Nothing makes me more happy than cooking in the kitchen, having music on, having the kids around doing their thing. And believe me, there's been plenty of fighting. Like, let's not pretend that hasn't been going on, but we can see past the fighting. Like, we can look past the fighting. Plus, I think I'm just in a good mood because baby Jennifer June's gonna be here and I can't wait to see her and kiss her and hold her and see my kids hold her, see my niece or my nephews, the other ones are nephews. Yeah. And you know, Ellie and Jared, like it's gonna be a great day. It's gonna be a great weekend. I don't know why I did that. I think I was gonna like snap or you know, that was weird. I don't know. Yeah. I got so caught up in relaxing, I forgot I had to edit. I was like, Joel, I'm going to edit before you get home, before Ellie and Jared get here. Oh, Mama Mia, I made it. I did it. I sat down and I was like, everybody be quiet. I'm gonna hurry and edit. And I did it! Now I am officially ready. Dinner's ready, house is clean, vlog is edited. Ellie, where are you? I heard screaming, I hear commotion.